Okay guys, so first you need a square piece of paper. Okay, so what you'll be doing is, sorry guys. So I'm not going to be teaching you guys how to do it. I'm going to be doing a fast forward. So here it goes. Okay guys, so you see I'm done with this. Okay, now you need to find the middle four squares right here. Get your pen or your pencil. Get your pen, put your thing here. Then put a plus in the middle. Okay, next what you're supposed to do is get right here and then right here. Okay, you're supposed to do that to all the lines. Okay, now you're supposed to do it on this one. Okay guys, next what you need to do is you need to get a pencil or anything. Just get two colors and then mark the valley folds and the mountain folds. So what you need to do is you need to get the line and then draw on the line. So this is going to be a valley fold. The gray is supposed to be a valley fold and the black is supposed to be the mountain folds. Okay, so I did the mountain fold and the valley fold. Got a mountain fold. Valley fold, I mean. Got a valley fold. Mountain fold, valley fold, I mean, mountain fold. So that's all what you need to do on this one. Okay, and then you need to do on these ones. So I'll just do that quickly. There. Alright guys, if you have all these folds right here, so the grays are valley fold and the black is the fold, the mountain fold. Okay, now what you need to do, a mountain fold is when you press up like that. Okay, next you have to get these ones that go to the square and fold them all the way up. Okay, like that. Okay guys, so when you have all these, you have to fold them like that. The gray fold, you have to fold them like this. And then you can get the bottom. Okay, and then the black fold, you have to go back to the mountain folds. And then valley folds. And then you keep on doing that until you have like this. So if you have that, you have to push it down extra so it has extra creases and stuff. Just like push them all together like that. And then you can do that and that. That's how you do one of them. And now you have to do all of it. So what you'll be needing to do, you guys, you need to actually fold these like that. And push these in like this. that. Okay guys, so you have the flashers. Alright guys, so if you want to make it my design, you guys can put all of the folds down on every side. And then you have my design. Flasher. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!